So today I just thought we'd take a look at the 2009 Subaru driver's side windshield wiper, because ever since we've had this car, it's kind of been difficult to find the right windshield wiper itself if you want to change it out. That I have a replacement for, and here's the number if you're interested in it, the actual Subaru part number. But it does have the 12x4 J hook, and it's a little harder to find unless you find it for something like an RV. But I've had this windshield wiper here probably 3 or 4 years, and sometimes you can do the refills, of course, a lot cheaper. But every now and then, when it's just time to buy an original replacement, you really got to know what you're looking for, because I think that the 9mm J hook is the most common, just like on the passenger side. But yeah, if you're going to replace it with an original type windshield wiper, it needs to be that part number, or you can just do the actual refill itself. For quite a many years, just replace the actual refill. So typically, if the wiper is still in good shape, we can just do the refill by just pulling the actual wiper blade out. Then we just have to rethread through the new one, just making sure that the little rods stay in the track. We can see our little catches here just on the one end. Just pushes and snaps in, and that's all that holds it in place. So that's using the 26-inch refill instead of replacing the whole wiper blade, because those are a lot easier to come by and they're a lot cheaper than buying the whole complete wiper blade. These are some that I had gotten cheaper. I think they from an RV place, and they're probably closer to half price, and they work fairly decent, but they don't seem to go as long without chattering across the windshield as the original, but they will get you by. But it's actually getting harder to me to find the 26-inch RV. The 28's very common and above. But the reason I got these from the RV place is because of the 12x4 J hook. Unusual way that Subaru did that on the Tribecas. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.